Oh, oh, Chongqing. I wanna see Chongqing. Oh, oh, Melly wanna see Chongqing, Chongqing. Oh, yeah.
I'm in Chongqing. There's just kind of cool stuff everywhere. I'm kind of find myself enthralled by that yellow building right there. And there's a guy who might be walking that way too. And I'm just kind of also checking out this Chongqing Art Museum, which is right here as well. And I think I've seen this on the other side, which is down below. So I'm kind of gonna be, I kind of want to see both. I kind of want to see what's on the other side of this, if it's possible. And I think I have to go down to do it. And I definitely want to see that as well. So we're basically in this Chongqing and just kind of capturing the feel of the city. And it is a really cool city.
Oh, oh, Chongqing. I wanna see Chongqing. Oh, oh, Melly wanna see Chongqing, Chongqing. Oh, yeah.
Hey, welcome to my favorite Chinese city of Chongqing. This is video number 3 of 39 for 2024. I'm going to be putting up a new video maybe every 5-6 days and until all 39 are up. And I'll put all the links down below as well so you can check out all of them and also get to see the glimpses of what I saw when I was in Chongqing, one of my favorite cities in China. And if you like it and you know Chongqing, just let me know because I'm going to go back again, I promise. I really like that city a lot. This particular one, what I'm doing is Chongqing has hills everywhere. You can see it in the background, but I'm looking down and I can see this colonial looking building that looks kind of very interesting and a little bit out of place and intriguing. And I'm up on a hill, I look down and I can also see the art museum for Chongqing behind me, and that's an architectural gem. So I'm gonna try to go downhill, try to see what that is, and then I'm gonna go around and try to catch that. And we got all kinds of cool stuff all along the way, which is typical of Chongqing because of the density and the mountains and just, it's just such a cool city. Nonetheless, let's get right into it. I know you want to, and also subscribe because I'll put up more of all 39 videos over the next, well, just watch it, will you? Chongqing.
Oh, oh, Chongqing. I wanna see Chongqing. Oh, oh, Melly wanna see Chongqing, Chongqing. Oh, yeah.
Or B. Let's go to B first. So I've seen this one before. I came here, I guess I was looking at my YouTube and it was about, it says it was 4 years ago. And I saw the other side of this because there's all these things and they jut out, and at nighttime they look really cool. But I also want to see what this yellow building is, and I think I can't either have to go through the art museum to the other side or I have to go down and around. I'm not sure which. Why is Chongqing so freaking cool? Okay, so what I'm gonna do, oh, I guess I can't go down like that. I guess I have to go all the way around. That's okay. Check out that rooftop too. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the camera off. It's a giant KTV. And it looks like what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come around to the side down there in a minute, and I'm gonna go over to that yellow building along the way. So this will be kind of whatever that yellow building is plus this building. Yeah, there's all kinds of cool stuff on the way to the art museum, which is behind me. Okay, so we got all these sculptures kind of everywhere, and then we're basically going to go all the way down to the foot of these stairs, and then we'll have a good idea of the art museum behind me, and we're going to go around to the front of it as well. More kind of confusing. So I think that yellow building is over there, I think. Then this is kind of this pedestrian. He's teaching this kid how to play cards, which is kind of cool too. Okay, so I think what we're going to be doing, that's this whole pedestrian area. So I think our yellow building is down this way.
so let's go down that way and see. And now you can see this giant wall of the art museum, and I think we'll go all the way around, then we'll have a better idea of it. Park 108. Yeah, I think that yellow building. Yeah, it's really easy to get disoriented because we were basically walking all the way down the steps from this building. So we were actually on top of a building. I didn't realize we were on top of a building, but we were. Anyways, I think that yellow colonial building is over there. Chongqing sightseeing buses, ironic. I think I took one of those in the past. I was here maybe 4 or 5 years ago. Okay, so we were up on top of this building, strangely enough. There's interesting stuff around here too. That goes all the way across. And then there's also like a burger chain, looks like kind of American style. It says milkshake, fries, burger. And we're gonna be walking over towards that yellow building, and then we're gonna try to walk all the way across. So I guess we're gonna have to go into the traffic a little bit, see if we can navigate without getting hit. And then we're gonna walk over to that yellow building over there, straight ahead. Chongqing. Okay, so now I'm at this yellow building, and I don't know what it is exactly. It has some cool windows. It's written in Chinese. And it says the old site of the China UK Liaison. Okay, so that's what that is. It's only open 10 to 4. So it closed already today. Huh. And now you can see the Chongqing Art Museum up there. So we're able to see some of that. And we're kind of in this interesting space now on this rainy evening. And I think, I don't know which way I'm gonna go. So now we know what this is. This is actually where the, oh, okay, I think I go up these steps and I can go around and see the Chongqing Art Museum. It's one of the cool things about the city. Check that out. We got a little restaurant right here, Bow Brunch, Bowl Thai. So we're gonna go up, and then we're gonna be able to see the side of the art museum, I think. Oh yeah, now I can start to see it a little bit. You got some cool stuff as well. All right. Hello. So they weren't interested. But actually, as a foreigner, a lot of people say hello to me all the time, and they yell it in English, right? So I usually react the same way. I usually kind of react like I don't know why they're saying hello. Okay, so our museum is going to be right up here, and it looks like Park 108 is one of the main things here, so we're going to continue down. And it looks like they're taking pictures right here as well. Let me go down a little bit. Yeah, Chongqing is such a cool city. I came here another time and I just absolutely loved it. And I think last time, I think I stayed maybe 3 or 4 nights. Usually it's, and it wasn't anywhere near enough time. I just was scratching the surface. I think this would be the same. There's something going on over there. That could be interesting to see what that is as well. But that would be for another video. This video is to see this. And this will be all lit up at night because I remember it from before. So I think what I'm gonna do is go across the street, try to film it from the other side, and then we're also gonna just tap into see what that is a little bit, and then we're gonna end this video. Okay, so we're gonna go and see exactly what's going on over there, and then I'm gonna flip the camera around and just kind of see if we got a better view of that. You can kind of see it a little bit up there through the trees, but later that would be all lit up. So we're gonna see what this is. Okay. Huh. There's like so much activity in here. So I think they're just coming to take pictures. I think it's because of the holiday. I saw these rose flowers in another location as well. Okay, so now the art museum is straight that way, and later that is all lit up at nighttime. I have seen it before, but it was 4 or 5 years ago on my other ship here. And I guess what we're gonna do is in the video, because I have to wait until the lights come on for it. Before I do, so okay, so I think I won't capture the lighting, but there is some other cool stuff in here too, like this one right here. So I guess this is more like art installation and photogenic things as well, which is also kind of cool as well. Some nice buildings everywhere. And now we saw the other side. So I guess we were actually up on the steps, up on top of some other buildings, and then we came off of the top of those steps and then we walked all the way down. We saw that yellow building was the UK British building, and this was the Chongqing art one. So I'm sure I'll do other videos and I'll probably come by this one again. So anyways, it is what it is.